So what's going on, guys? If you have a Samsung front loader washer and you notice it's starting to stink, this is a great way to get rid of that smell. Okay, you need to maintenance it and give it a good cleaning. So what you want to do, there's a plug, there's this door. You pop this door completely off, and then take this plug out. And this hose, it holds all your little water. I'm going to drain all the water out of there, and you'll notice it has that laundry water smell. Doesn't smell very good, basically. Just drain this all the way out. There's about 3 steps of doing this if you want to do it correctly. And draining the water is the first step that you want to do. Because with these front loader washers, all the water kind of sits in the bottom, and after a while all that water doesn't drain out, so it stinks because it's just sitting in there and it kind of whooshes around. And so step 2 of this maintenance, there's a filter in here, and you're going to want to put a rag down because water is going to come out of here. So you take that out, you can see it's pretty gross. So what I always do is get some soapy water and soak it in there for a while. So I got the filter soaking, and I just take a toothbrush, just kind of clean all these. I use Dawn dish soap. Dawn dish soap will clean anything. Just simple brushes like that. Do the inside of it too. Make sure you get the top part. Let it soak some more, and then even take some in here. This is the gross part, where the filter goes. Get all that nasty gray water out of there. See how gross that is? Yep. That's why it stinks. Once you do that a couple of times, and make sure to dry it out in there real good. And when you're doing this, make sure you get a rag in there so you can get that, and then just kind of, it tips down a little bit so you can get all that water out of there. See, when I tip that down, more water comes. Make sure you get all that water out of there. Next step, take this out. There's a little button right here. Push that down, and then all this comes unclipped. And you can take all these out of here and soak them in Dawn dish soap. And these come out pretty easy. This one's like that. This one's tougher. I always soak all this stuff and take your toothbrush and clean all these little spots out that are dirty. Got that other piece out, but see how there's like that mildew, moldy stuff? Definitely want to give that a good scrub and get that nastiness out of there. Okay, so we got our filter all clean. Want to make sure to screw that in really good and tight. And do it till it stops. It doesn't really click or anything. And definitely make sure to put your plug back in. The dog chewed on this one a while ago. And tuck it back in there. Put your door back on. I have the other piece already back together. And another thing I like to do is take some white vinegar, kind of dump it in here a little bit. Take the toothbrush. A lot of stuff builds up on this part too. Kind of rub that around. And then for the final step, turn this bad boy on. to sanitize. Well, shut the door. Pour a little bit of vinegar in here. Just so it washes through the whole system. Not too much though. Vinegar has a strong smell. Fire it up. This takes a while, but it will have your washer smelling better in no time. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always stay focused and positive. Keep flexing on them.